So today is the day of my shoot.
Welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. Ooh. But no, okay, so let me move. But okay, so I decided to do a photo shoot basically every month. DIY, so I'm gonna be bringing you guys all the tutorials, all the different ways I handle this by myself. We'll see. This is my first one. It's gonna be a Valentine's Day one, so I'm pretty excited. But yeah, I decided to just give you guys, like, I guess, a get ready with me. I'm about to go I'm about to go get my makeup done. And then yeah, I did my hair yesterday. So yeah, I'm gonna post a tutorial soon. And if you want a tutorial on my nails, how much were these? Like $7. Be sure to check the tutorial out on that too. But okay, you guys, let's get ready and yeah, see you later. Hey you guys, so makeup is done, hair done, and now we're about to go shoot. So yes, Tiana's coming along with me because she's amazing. So she's gonna shoot my pictures, thank God, and she's about to put some looks together too. So
maybe, yeah.
Taking over for the 99 in the 2000s.
ride until the day that we die.